রক্ত যখন দিয়েছি, রক্ত আরো দেব। এদেশের মানুষকে মুক্ত করে ছাড়বো ইনশাআল্লাহ। এবারে সংগ্রাম আমাদের মুক্তির সংগ্রাম, এবারে সংগ্রাম স্বাধীনতার সংগ্রাম।
With a ruthless exercise in intimidating the city's virtually unarmed population, the army clampdown on Dhaka had begun.
During the Liberation War, the Nepali Congress leader Sri Dr. Prasad Baswala entered Bangladesh on 16 April 1971 and handed over a truckload of arms to freedom fighters. His article based on the incident was published in the then popular tabloid Torun, which created significant impact in Nepal and helped strengthen people's support to Bangladesh. For his great contribution for the Liberation War, Sri Dr. Prasad Baswala is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Begum Ashrafi, Professor of Social Work and Media. During the Liberation War, Begum Ashrafi and her colleagues collected relief materials and funds from Sierra Leone and distributed those in refugee camps in Meghalaya. She was also involved in distribution of materials in freedom fighters camps. By arranging cultural programs and public right meetings, she and her colleagues helped create public opinion in favor of Bangladesh. For her great contribution throughout the Liberation War, Begum Ashrafi is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Rinki Roy Bhattacharya, writer and cultural activist India. During the Liberation War, Srimati Rinki Roy Bhattacharya dedicated all her efforts for assisting Bangladeshi cultural activities. She played a vital role in organizing meetings and seminars in favor of the Liberation War. For her remarkable contribution towards the Liberation War, Srimati Rinki Roy Bhattacharya is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. During the Liberation War, Sri Hridayanath Chakraborty allowed 665 acres of land in his village for tea garden for the use of refugees and regional fighters. In this tea garden, 1,100 fighters received training from Colonel Thar of the Indian Army. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Hridayanath Chakraborty is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Dr. Lincoln C. Chen, physician and social worker, USA. At the beginning of the Liberation War, Dr. Lincoln C. Chen was a research physician at the Colorado Hospital Research Laboratory in Dhaka. He witnessed the genocide committed by the Pakistan Army. After returning to Washington, D.C., he helped set up an organization named Friends of Bangladesh. This organization held demonstrations in various places in the USA in favor of Bangladesh. He also participated actively in fundraising for Bangladeshi refugees. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Dr. Lincoln C. Chen is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Dr. Martha Alter Chen, Marty, Padma Shri, academic and social worker in USA. During the cyclone of 1917, Dr. Martha Alter Chen, Marty, Padma Shri, conducted a major reform for the victims. She witnessed the massacre by Pakistani troops during the early days of the Liberation War. After returning to Washington, D.C., she played an important role in founding Friends of Bangladesh, an advocacy NGO which built awareness against the distant messenger policy on Bangladesh. For her great contribution towards the Liberation War, Dr. Martha Alter Chen, Marty, Padma Shri, is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Khagen Das, member of the Lok Sabha and English Party India. During the Liberation War, Sri Khagen Das extended all her support to the people of Bangladesh. He vacated his two large houses in Ramnagar Road and his village homes in Sonamda to give shelters to the refugees coming from Bangladesh and provided them with all required assistance. He regularly organized public meetings and demonstrations in favor of Bangladesh. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Khagen Das is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Subharanjan Dasgupta, journalist India. During the Liberation War, Sri Subharanjan Dasgupta was the chief respondent of the Ahmedabad Patrika. For 7 March 1971, after the end of the Liberation War, he published many articles in favor of Bangladesh. He attended the oath-taking ceremony of the Bangladesh government in Mujibnagar. He regularly published the news on the battlefronts of Boga, Kustia, Khulna, and Dinajpur. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Subharanjan Dasgupta is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Krishna Jagannath, journalist India. During the Liberation War, Sri Krishna Jagannath regularly published reports in the Anandabazar newspaper on the Liberation War. He had great contribution in mobilizing the India in favor of Bangladesh. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Krishna Jagannath is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Jishnu Dey, Professor, India. During the Liberation War, Sri Jishnu Dev was a professor in Calcutta. He, along with his wife, went to the war areas and worked as volunteers to help the refugees. There were active members of Calcutta University, Bangladesh Sahaya Shomiti, and few other associations. For his remarkable support and contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Jishnu Dev is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Srimati Meera Dey, Professor, India. During the Liberation War, Professor Meera Dey and her husband were active members of the Calcutta University, Bangladesh Sahaya Shomiti, and other organizations for present refugees in the war areas. They also collected information on war situation and worked as correspondents. Besides, she helped the intellectuals, poets, and writers from Bangladesh in various ways. For her remarkable contribution towards the Liberation War, Srimati Meera Dey is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Damodar Dhungana, former Speaker in Nepal. During the Liberation War, as a founder and executive member of the Amnesty International, Sri Damodar Dhungana repeatedly put pressure on the government of Pakistan to stop genocide in Bangladesh. Through these and his organization's consistent efforts, the intellectual international community became aware of the genocide in Bangladesh. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Damodar Dhungana is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Dasho Parma Darji, former ambassador and social worker, Bhutan. During the Liberation War, as a student of St. Joseph College, Darjeeling, Dasho Parma Darji volunteered to help with refugee camps in Dispur, West Bengal, under the aegis of Caritas. He distributed clothes and food rations, assisted the paramilitary team to treat sick refugees and injured freedom fighters. For his great contribution throughout the Liberation War, Dasho Parma Darji is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Pritish Nandi, Padma Shri, poet, journalist, politician, media, television personality, India. Sri Pritish Nandi, Padma Shri, portrayed the true picture of the genocide in his poems and other writings. He had great contributions to organizing propaganda in India in favor of the Bangladesh Liberation War and organized various cultural programs for raising funds for refugees. For his great contribution toward the Liberation War, Sri Pritish Nandi Padma Shri is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Arjun Narasimha Kesi, Politician, Nepal. During the Liberation War, Sri Arjun Narasimha Kesi worked on behalf of the government of Nepal to provide all support to Bangladesh government. He created public support in Nepal in favor of Bangladesh in his just struggle. For his remarkable support and contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Arjun Narasimha Kesi is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Begum Nargis Jahangir Rawat Shami, actress, India. During the Liberation War, Begum Nargis Jahangir Rawat Shami arranged public meetings and cultural programs for the Bangladesh refugees, mobilized support and created awareness among the Indian people for the cause of Bangladesh. For her great contribution towards the Liberation War, Begum Nargis Jahangir Rawat Shami is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Janab Abdul Salam Bar Ekla, lawyer and social worker, India. During the Liberation War, Janab Abdul Salam Bar Ekla allowed his house in Calcutta for accommodation of Bangladeshi leaders. He took funds from their fully walked property and distributed those among the refugees. He worked with political leaders for creating awareness in favor of the Bangladesh Liberation War. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Janab Abdul Salam Bar Ekla is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Niranjan Gupta, artist, India. During the Liberation War, famous artist Sri Niranjan Gupta viewed many paintings reflecting the genocide and Liberation War. These helped in garnering mass support worldwide in favor of Bangladesh. He collected funds through his painting exhibitions in Delhi and donated them to refugee camps. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Niranjan Gupta was awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Anandji Virji Shah, composer and music director, India. During the Liberation War, Sri Anandji Virji Shah played a vital role in composing music for the concert for Bangladesh. He worked closely with the cultural activists for arranging programs in 1971 to create awareness in favor of Bangladesh and raise funds for the freedom fighters and refugees. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Anandji Virji Shah is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Janab Syed Asif Shankar, Justice and Poet, Shuni. Justice Janab Syed Asif Shankar of Shuni was the Joint Secretary of the Punjab Students' Union in Pakistan. In order to mobilize public opinion against genocide, he distributed leaflets and organized demonstrations. He also composed poems in support of the suffering humanity. He was arrested, tortured, and given long-term jail sentence. The Pakistan government branded him as a traitor. Later, he migrated to Sweden. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Janab Syed Asif Shankar is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Jagadish C. Sharma, Sharma, former army officer and ambassador, India. During the Liberation War, Sri Jagadish C. Sharma provided training to soldiers of Ward Muji Battery Artillery of the Muslim Army and played an important role in preparing them for military operations. He actively took part in battles of Kashmir, Huriyat, Akaba, and Rahmangarh, and was awarded Shana for his gallant actions. In recognition of his remarkable contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Jagadish C. Sharma Shana is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Townsend Swazi, USA and official USA. During the Liberation War, Townsend Swazi endorsed the contents of the telegram of US Consul General in Dhaka, Archer K. Clark, on his genocide. In protest to the US government's policy in favor of Pakistan, he resigned from USA. He and his wife, Felicity, regularly participated in the demonstrations in favor of Bangladesh and delivered substantive statements. For his great contribution, Townsend Swazi is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Tarasundar Bandyopadhyay, Padma Bhushan, novelist and politician in India. During the Liberation War, Chairman of Bangladesh Labour Sahayak Committee, Sri Tarasundar Bandyopadhyay, Padma Bhushan, provided help to organize meetings for Bangladeshi writers and created war opinion in favor of the Bangladesh Liberation War. Through cultural programs, he collected funds for refugees. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Tarasundar Bandyopadhyay, Padma Bhushan, is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor posthumous. Sri Habul Banerjee, social worker of India. During the Liberation War, Sri Habul Banerjee allowed his 4-acre Lychee garden in Sonamura for establishment of the first field hospital for the freedom fighters. Freedom fighters received medical treatment at this hospital. He regularly supplied food and medicine to the wounded freedom fighters in his hospital. For his selfless contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Habul Banerjee is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor posthumous. Sri Satyendra Bhushan Padma Vibhushan, Professor and Social Scientist in India. During the Liberation War, Professor and famous scientist Sri Satyendra Bhushan Padma Vibhushan was the first to donate a large amount of money to Calcutta University, Bangladesh Sahayak Committee. In August 1971, he wrote an article in the Jugaad newspaper on the Bangladesh situation. For his remarkable contribution toward the Liberation War, Sri Satyendra Bose Padma Vibhushan is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor posthumous. Sri Nikhil Chakraborty, journalist in India. During the Liberation War, the noted journalist Sri Nikhil Chakraborty raised the demand for recognizing the Bangladesh government through his writings. And through public meetings, he collected materials and arranged for their distribution among refugees. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Nikhil Chakraborty is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Srimati Renu Chakraborty, politician in India. During the Liberation War, Communist Party of India leader Srimati Renu Chakraborty extended all her support to the people of Bangladesh. Inside the Lok Sabha and in public meetings, she repeatedly appealed for assisting Bangladesh and thus created public opinion in favor of the independence. For her great contribution toward the Liberation War, Srimati Renu Chakraborty is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Prabodh Chandra, former Minister and author of India. During the Liberation War, Sri Prabodh Chandra devoted himself to assisting the refugees in the camps and mobilizing support among the Indian people and government in favor of Bangladesh. His book titled Black Bath in Bangladesh, written in 1971, is one of the valuable sources of information on the genocide committed by the Pakistan Army and the miseries of the Bangladesh people. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Prabhu Chandra was awarded Friends of Liberation War Honor posthumous. Janab Abu Baraka Ador Bani Khan Chaudhary. During the Liberation War, a popular political leader, Janab Abu Baraka Ador Bani Khan Chaudhary, provided all assistance in cooperation with refugees from Bangladesh. He, along with his family members and political associates, arranged funds from their own resources and from the government for distribution among the refugees. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Janab Abu Baraka Ador Bani Khan Chaudhary is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor posthumous. Sri Sholil Chaudhary, Music Director of India. During the Liberation War, the talented music director Sri Sholil Chaudhary composed many songs related to the Liberation War, which helped create international awareness in favor of Bangladesh. He also composed patriotic songs on freedom fighters and Indian victims of the war, which moved the conscience of the people. In recognition of the remarkable contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Sholil Chaudhary is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor posthumous. Jan Corbin, journalist, USA. During the Liberation War, the Pakistan Army forcefully deported all the foreign reporters in Bangladesh. Among the deportees was Jan Corbin, foreign correspondent of the US magazine Time. He again entered liberated areas of Bangladesh through India and arrived in the Western Front. Through his articles in the Time magazine, he informed the world community of the war situation and the genocide being committed. The cover story of the Time, dated 25 October 1971, was in Bangladesh, and its main feature was Jan Corbin's East Pakistan, even the sky is weak, which described the whole world. He also interviewed Honorable Sheikh Mujibur Rahman on his return from Pakistan. For his great contribution toward the Liberation War, Jan Corbin is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor posthumous. Sri Ajit Kumar Das, journalist and social worker in India. During the Liberation War, Sri Ajit Kumar Das was the correspondent of India in Calcutta. He devoted himself to collection of information on the Liberation War and arranged to release those in India and India. He assisted the political leaders of Bangladesh and provided them with necessary support so that their statements and appeals reached to the people. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Ajit Kumar Das is awarded Friends of Bangladesh with Friends of the Liberation War Honor posthumous. Sri Mandavi Padma Bhushan Padma Sri, singer India. During the Liberation War, the popular singer Sri Mandavi organized cultural programs for collection of funds for the freedom fighters and refugees. He also rendered songs to the programs. His songs inspired people of Bangladesh in difficult times. For his great contribution toward the Liberation War, Sri Mandavi Padma Bhushan Padma Sri is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor. Dr. Sujit Dey, physician, India. During the Liberation War, Dr. Sujit Dey's house in Agartala and Malik's house in Calcutta became shelters for refugees and freedom fighters. As a child specialist in Agartala Victoria Medical Hospital, he not only treated the refugee children there, but also visited different refugee camps and provided treatment to the children. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Dr. Sujit Dey is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor posthumous. Sri Shuni Gangapathy, poet, novelist, and lyricist, India. During the Liberation War, Sri Shuni Gangapathy composed many songs and poems on the Liberation War, which helped create social awareness in favor of Bangladesh. In recognition of the remarkable contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Shuni Gangapathy is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor posthumous. Sri Hrithik Roshan Padma Shri. During the Liberation War, the famous film director Sri Hrithik Roshan Padma Shri created public awareness by conducting cultural activities in support of the Bangladesh Liberation War. He successfully portrayed the struggle of the people of Bangladesh in his documentary titled Gurmat Kota. He organized individuals and cultural activities in Bangladesh and helped create a movement in support of the Liberation War. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Hrithik Roshan Padma Shri is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor posthumous. Sri A.K. Gopalan, politician, India. During the Liberation War, Sri A.K. Gopalan, a Communist Party of India Marxist, was a member of the Lok Sabha. On 7 May 1971, he laid the demand at the Lok Sabha session for providing assistance to the freedom fighters Throughout the 9 months, he was relentlessly involved in creating public opinion in favor of Bangladesh and providing support to the refugees. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri A.K. Gopalan is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor Posthumous. Sir Senarath Gunavarthan, former Minister and Ambassador and Union Executive, Sri Lanka. Sir Senarath Gunavarthan was the chairman of the Steering Committee for Solidarity in Bangladesh. This organization consisted of political parties, trade unions, and religious groups who worked for creating world opinion in the support of Bangladesh. For his great contribution in the Liberation War, Sir Senarath Gunavarthan is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor Posthumous. Janab Sayyid Abdul Mansur Habibullah, politician and social worker in India. Janab Sayyid Abdul Mansur Habibullah dedicated himself to the help of refugees coming from Bangladesh. He regularly distributed relief materials among refugees in camps. Through his international contacts, he appealed to different countries of the world to recognize the government of Bangladesh. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Janab Sayyid Abdul Mansur Habibullah is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor Posthumous. Janab Maqbul Fida Hussain, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, artist and politician, India. The famous artist, Janab Maqbul Fida Hussain, came forward to support the Liberation War. His paintings, the genocide and the Liberation War, helped in guarding world-class public support in favor of Bangladesh. He collected funds through his painting exhibitions and donated their sale proceeds to the refugee camps. For his remarkable support and contribution towards the Liberation War, Janab Maqbul Fida Hussain, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor Posthumous. Sri Vaidyanath Majumdar, social worker in India. During the Liberation War, Sri Vaidyanath Majumdar played a leading role in collection of relief materials from Indian government and people and distributed those to the refugee camps. He organized the youth in Koilashahar and North Tripura for distribution of relief. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Vaidyanath Majumdar is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor Posthumous. Stephen Alan Martin, Professor, USA. During the Liberation War, Professor Stephen Alan Martin of Harvard University published an article titled Hope for Bangladesh. In this article, he opined that the atrocities in Bangladesh must be stopped and the birth of Bangladesh was a reality. This article sensitized the whole world. For his great contribution, Stephen Alan Martin is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor. Miss Margaret Rose Morgan, former government official of India. Miss Margaret Rose Morgan was freelance magistrate during the Liberation War. She was responsible for supervision of the war and providing assistance to women and children in the refugee camps. For the long 9 months, she was away from her home and worked relentlessly in the war areas. For her dedication to war, she was known as the Lady with the Lamp in the area. For her great contribution towards the Liberation War, Ms. Margaret Rose Morgan is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor. Sri Ramin Mitra, politician, India. During the Liberation War, Sri Ramin Mitra provided shelter to left political party in Bangladesh with home residents. Besides, he carried out different activities in support of Bangladesh Liberation War. Utilizing his political connections, he consolidated the support of the left leaders of India in favor of Bangladesh Liberation War. For his remarkable support and contributions toward the Liberation War, Sri Ramin Mitra is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor Posthumous. Srimati Ila Mitra, Professor and social worker in India. Srimati Ila Mitra, the famous leader of the Natural Development Movement, provided the freedom fighters and the refugees with all of support and cooperation during the Liberation War. She was Associate Secretary of the Calcutta University Bangladesh Action. For her great contribution towards the Liberation War, Srimati Ila Mitra is awarded Friends of the Liberation War Honor Posthumous. Sri Hemant Kumar Mukherjee, singer, composer, and music director, India. During the Liberation War, the famous singer Sri Hemant Kumar Mukherjee performed in programs organized to promote awareness, provide inspiration, and actually support the cause of the Liberation War. They strongly inspired not only freedom fighters but also Bangladeshi as a whole to sustain in those difficult times. For his great contribution in the Liberation War, Sri Hemantha Mukhopadhyay is awarded Prince of the Liberation War honor posthumous. Dr. Prithviraj Mukherjee, researcher, educationalist, and journalist, France. The grandson of the revolutionary Bhagha Jyoti and in France, Dr. Prithviraj Mukherjee contributed remarkably in creating public opinion in favor of the Liberation War among the French writers, artists, and intellectuals. He organized programs for recitation of poems on Bangladesh with participation of French artists and artists. For his outstanding support and contribution towards the Liberation War, Dr. Prithviraj Mukherjee is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Sri Vivekananda Mukherjee, journalist India. During the Liberation War, under the leadership of Sri Vivekananda Mukherjee, a number of young reporters of Indian regulatory newspaper Jugantar prepared and published reports on the Liberation War. They projected the true picture of the war to the people. He also wrote a good number of reports on the Liberation War. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Vivekananda Mukherjee is awarded Prince of the Liberation War honor posthumous. Sri Nathanath Nath, politician in India. During the Liberation War, he extended all our support to the left patriotic parties. He, along with his wife, Srimati Nivedita Nath, provided assistance to the refugees at their house, which became a shelter for the fighters. For his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Sri Nathanath is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor posthumous. Srimati Nivedita Nath, politician in India. During the Liberation War, she extended all her support to the people of Bangladesh. She helped in creating public opinion in favor of Bangladesh through public meetings and other programs. She, along with her husband, provided support to the refugees and their house indeed became a shelter for the fighters. For her great contribution towards the Liberation War, Srimati Nivedita Nath is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor. Major General retired Gandharv Nagra, former Army officer in India. During the Liberation War, Major General Gandharv Nagra took over the command of 101 Communication Zone on 5 December, after General Gulbaksh Singh Gill was wounded. He advanced and liberated Kamalpur, Bakshidor, and Jamalpur and Tangai with 95 brigade members of the Bahini from Sector 11. He reached the Amirpur Beach in the evening of 15 December 1971. On 16 December at 11 a.m., he sent a letter to Lieutenant General A.A.K. Niazi asking him to surrender. Accompanied by a small number of soldiers, he entered the command post of General Niazi and made him to surrender. In recognition of his war tactics and bravery and his contribution, Major General Gandharv Nagra is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor posthumous. Sri Jayaprakash Narayan, Bharat Ratna, political leader in India. During the Liberation War, Sri Jayaprakash Narayan, Bharat Ratna, was a constant voice in support of Bangladesh. He organized international seminars and unique Padayatra, a peace march from West Bengal to Delhi, to mobilize public opinion on behalf of the people of Bangladesh. For his remarkable support and contribution in the Liberation War, Sri Jayaprakash Narayan, Bharat Ratna is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor posthumous. William A.S. Otterland, Associate of Mukti Bahini from Australia. During the Liberation War, William A.S. Otterland was General Manager of Bata Shoe Company in Chongi, Dhaka. He secretly dispatched pictures on genocide to the Western countries. Ignoring the risk of his life, he also used to supply important information to the activities of Pakistan Army to the freedom fighters for their operations. For his great contribution in the Liberation War, William A.S. Otterland, Veer Puthi, is awarded Friends of the Liberation War honor posthumous. Shahid Sepoy Ansua Prasad Mahavir Chakra, 10 Mahar Regiment Indian Army. During the Liberation War, Sepoy Ansua Prasad has worked for 10 Mahar Regiment of the Indian Army, charged through our enemy defenses. He embraced martyrdom while displaying the enemy trenches in contrast with the battle of Shoshingarh Airport in Sylhet. His direct action contributed to the victory. For his bravery, Indian government awarded the Mahavir Chakra. In recognition of his great contribution towards the Liberation War, Shahid Sipai Ashok Mohammed Chakra is awarded Friends of the Revolution War Honor posthumous. Sri Shanti Roy, Professor at Policia, India. During the Revolution War, Communist Party of India declared the permanent provision of West Bengal, Sri Shanti Roy, organized the individuals of Bangladesh and helped create a movement in support of the Revolution War. For his great contribution towards the Revolution War, Sri Shanti Roy is awarded Friends of the Revolution War Honor posthumous. Sri Kasur F. Rustamji, former BSF Chief, India. During the Revolution War, the Director General of all Security Forces, BSF, Sri Kasur F. Rustamji, extended all support to the freedom fighters. From the early days of the Revolution War, he started providing them with training, support, and cooperation. He also provided critical operational advice to the freedom fighters. For his best contribution toward the Revolution War, Sri Kasur F. Rustamji is awarded Friends of the Revolution War Honor posthumous. Sri Mashur Sarkar, journalist India. During the Revolution War, Sri Mashur Sarkar regularly covered the news of the Revolution War and published them in the Ahmedabad newspaper. He had great contribution in mobilizing public opinion in India in favor of Bangladesh and organized various cultural programs for raising funds for freedom fighters. For his best contribution towards the Revolution War, Sri Mashur Sarkar is awarded Friends of the Revolution War Honor posthumous. Sri Varun Sengupta, journalist India. During the Revolution War, Sri Varun Sengupta regularly published reports in the Ahmedabad newspaper on the Revolution War. He had great contribution in mobilizing public opinion in India in favor of Bangladesh. For his great contribution toward the Revolution War, Sri Varun Sengupta was awarded Friends of the Revolution War Honor posthumous. Sri Praladji Virji Shah, composer and music director in India. During the Revolution War, Sri Praladji Virji Shah played a vital role in composing music for the concert for Bangladesh. He worked closely with the cultural activists for arranging programs in 1971 to create awareness in favor of Bangladesh and raise funds for the freedom fighters and refugees. For his great contribution toward the Revolution War, Sri Praladji Virji Shah is awarded Friends of the Revolution War Honor posthumous. David Martin Scott Still, KTKBPC, Member of Parliament, UK. During the Revolution War, David Martin Scott Still, KTKBPC, made repeated statements at the British Parliament in favor of the Bangladesh Revolution War. He strongly criticized the Pakistan Army for conducting genocide on the people of Bangladesh. For his great role in supporting the cause of Bangladesh, David Martin Scott Still, KTKBPC, is awarded Friends of the Revolution War Honor. Govind Ballabh Pant Hospital, Agartala, Tripura, India. During the Revolution War, the 300 Govind Ballabh Pant Hospital of Agartala provided medical treatment to the wounded freedom fighters, Indian soldiers, and refugees. With the influx of large number of patients, it was expanded to the 1,000-bed hospital by installing tents. For its great contribution towards the Revolution War, the Govind Ballabh Pant Hospital of Tripura is awarded Friends of the Revolution War Honor. Pravda, political newspaper, Soviet Union. During the Revolution War, Pravda, the newspaper published by the Communist Party of India, Soviet Union, regularly published articles and news on the Revolution War and genocide, which helped create public opinion in the Soviet Union and worldwide. The true picture of the war was portrayed in this newspaper. For its great contribution toward the Revolution War, Pravda is awarded Friends of the Revolution War Honor.
On behalf of all recipients of the honor this morning, their relatives and family members, I would like to express our gratitude to the government and the people of Bangladesh for this truly extraordinary gesture. On this solemn occasion, we pay our homage to the courageous people of Bangladesh whose bravery and sacrifice made it possible to usher in this dawn of freedom. We also pay our homage to Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, whose visionary leadership, grit, and determination infused the spirit of freedom among the people of Bangladesh and inspired them for this valiant struggle. On this occasion, we also pay our respects who made supreme sacrifice and laid down their lives for the liberation of Sonar Bangla. Every participant in this fight felt he was fighting for justice. He was fighting for a cause of humanity. He was contributing to something noble. And there was not an iota of doubt in the mind of any participant that the final victory will be ours. 1971 struggle showed that we can overcome most formidable obstacles and challenges through our cooperation. Let us rekindle that spirit of 1971 and fight shoulder to shoulder to usher in freedom from poverty and hunger. Our future depends on our ability to collaborate and cooperate to the mutual benefit of our people. Madam Prime Minister, you particularly deserve our gratitude for the bold initiatives you have taken to give a new direction to our relationship. Let us work together in the spirit of those glorious days of 1971 and give our people a better future. Joy Bangla, Joy Hind.
It is a great honor and privilege for me to welcome you all to this auspicious ceremony to confer Friends of Liberation War honor to the foreign nationals for their outstanding and remarkable contribution during the War of Liberation. At the very outset, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina for her gracious presence on this historical occasion. I must pay my respect to the Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, our four national leaders, and the valiant freedom fighters for their supreme sacrifice for our freedom. Distinguished guests, in 1971, history witnessed a victorious culmination of over 2 decades of struggle against disparity and suppression of our people, under the leadership of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, our great leader. During 9 months of liberation war, ending in the disgraceful defeat of Pakistani forces, emergence of independent Bangladesh, the people from all over the world stood beside us with their invaluable support by providing refuge and fund for our displaced people, training our valiant freedom fighters, and most importantly, mobilizing world opinion in our favor. In a few hours, Bangladesh will step into 42 years of victory. Tomorrow morning, when the new sun rises, the entire nation will be showered with the glow of victory. Bangladesh today stands proudly in the Committee of Nations as a beacon of hope for the impoverished. In our battle against unimaginable odds, we have not given up under the leadership of Sheikh Hasina. Distinguished guests, eternal vigilance is the price of liberty. And if some evil usurper should come along and try to turn our collective dream and liberty into a nightmare, then we should remember our national heroes who fought during our great war of liberation to free from the reigns of tyrants and that we can do it again. You would perhaps remember where you stood in 1971, a ravaged, devastated land of deaths and dying. So we will now surely feel happy that we have risen from the ruins of the war like a phoenix from the ashes under the able leadership of Sheikh Hasina, like we fought our war of liberation under the leadership of our Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Thank you very much. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu, long live.
Today's event is the 4th occasion to honor our foreign friends. But it is only the 4th of its kind. Our gratitude to all of you is embedded with our statehood. Your fund of goodwill is concurrent with our life as a nation. Your identification with our ideals and aspirations is part of our vision for the future. Friends, you have taken time to revisit yourselves, and in accepting our token of honor, you have resuscitated Bangladesh, Bangabandhu's Bangladesh. We are indebted to you. Friends, we have prepared a modest list of honorees. You are amongst the first or early friends whom we have been able to ask. There are many whom we have not yet been able to ask to be amongst us. There are many whose names we do not even know, simply because of the incalculable numbers of those who silently stood by us. But we do know that whether those whom we have been able to call upon or those who silently gave their minds and time, they came from every walk of life, as you may notice from the list of honorees at today's ceremony. Friends, thank you for coming to the occasion. Thank you for visiting Bangladesh again, or for the first time, on your own behalf or on behalf of a great friend of Bangladesh during our War of Liberation, whom you represent. We are moved and touched by your presence. Joy Bangla, joy Bangabandhu. May your friendship with Bangladesh live forever.
আজকের এই সম্মাননা প্রদান অনুষ্ঠানে আপনাদের মাঝে উপস্থিত হতে পেরে আমি নিজেকে সম্মানিত বোধ করছি। ৭১ সালে সেই ভয়াবহ দিনগুলো, যখন বাংলাদেশের মাটিতে গণহত্যা চলছিল, যখন আমার মা বোনদের ধরে নিয়ে তাদের উপর অকথ্য নির্যাতন চলছিল, যখন এই দেশকে একটা পোড়া মাটিতে পরিণত করবার জন্য গণহত্যা, অগ্নিসংযোগ, লুটপাট সহ নানা ধরনের ধ্বংসাত্মক কাজ চলছিল, সেই সময় আপনার এই বিদেশি বন্ধুরা আমাদের নির্যাতিত মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছিলেন, সহযোগিতা করেছিলেন। আমরা চিরদিন মুক্তিযুদ্ধে আপনাদের যে এই অবদান, তা শ্রদ্ধার সাথে স্মরণ করব এবং আপনাদের এই অবদান আমাদের জাতির জীবনে প্রজন্মের পর প্রজন্ম আমাদের মানসপটে চির অম্লান অক্ষয় হয়ে থাকবে। ওই ৭১-এর সেই দুঃসহ দিনগুলিতে যে অকৃত্রিম বন্ধুদের আমরা পাশে পেয়েছিলাম, তাদের সাথে আমাদের বন্ধুত্ব চিরদিন অটুট থাকবে। ভবিষ্যতেও আমাদের এই বন্ধুত্ব আরও সুদৃঢ় হবে এবং আমরা মনে করি যে আমাদের অকৃত্রিম বন্ধুদের কথা আমরা আমাদের ভবিষ্যৎ প্রজন্ম চিরদিন শ্রদ্ধার সাথে স্মরণ করবে। আজকে আমরা এই চতুর্থবারের মতো সম্মাননা প্রদান অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করেছি। এর পূর্বে আপনারা জানেন, আমরা ভারতের সাবেক মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী শ্রীমতী ইন্দিরা গান্ধী সহ ১৪৫ জন বিদেশি বন্ধু ও সংস্থাকে সম্মাননা প্রদান করেছি। আমি বিশ্বাস করি এ ধরনের অনুষ্ঠান এদেশের জনগণ, বিশেষ করে আমাদের নতুন প্রজন্মকে মহান মুক্তিযুদ্ধে আমাদের বিদেশি বন্ধুদের যে অবদান রয়েছে তা জানার, বোঝার ও উপলব্ধি করবার সুযোগ এনে দেবে। সম্মানিত অতিথিবৃন্দ, আমাদের এই ভূখণ্ড এবং জনগণ অনাদিকাল ধরে নানা ধরনের নিপীড়ন ও নিবর্তনমূলক আচরণের শিকার হয়েছে, কিন্তু এদেশের সাহসী এবং অকুতোভয় জনগণ এসব নির্যাতনের বিরুদ্ধে সবসময় প্রতিবাদ করেছে, মুক্তির সংগ্রাম করেছে, আর এজন্য মূল্য কম দিতে হয়নি। 47 সালে দ্বিজাতি তত্ত্বের উপর ভিত্তি করে দেশ বিভাগের পর আমাদের এই ভূখণ্ডের মানুষ আবার নতুন করে শোষণ, বঞ্চনা, নির্যাতন, নিপীড়নের শিকার হয়। সর্বকালের সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ বাঙালি, জাতির পিতা বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান বাঙালি জাতির মুক্তির দিশারি হিসেবে আবির্ভূত হন এবং তারই সংগ্রামের ফসল বাঙালি জাতির মুক্তি। তিনি আমাদেরকে মুক্তির পথ দেখান। 1971 সালে তার ডাকে সাড়া দিয়ে এই বাঙালি অস্ত্র তুলে নেয় এবং মুক্তিযুদ্ধ করে বিজয় অর্জন করে। 16ই ডিসেম্বর আমাদের বিজয় অর্জিত হয়। এই বাংলাদেশে যে গণহত্যা চলেছিল, বোধহয় বিশ্বের ইতিহাসে এই ধরনের ভয়াবহ গণহত্যা বোধহয় আর কখনো ঘটে নাই, যা 71 সালে বাংলার মাটিতে হানাদার বাহিনী ঘটিয়েছিল। কিন্তু সেই অবস্থা থেকেও আমরা উঠে আসতে সক্ষম হই, কারণ দেশ বিদেশে আমাদের অকৃত্রিম বন্ধুরা আমাদের পাশে ছিলেন বলেই আমাদের এই অর্জন সম্ভব হয়েছিল। কাজে আমরা সবসময় মনে করি আমাদের এই বন্ধু যাদেরকে আমরা আজকে সম্মাননা দিতে পারছি, অনেকে আর জীবিত নেই, থাকলে হয়তো তারা আনন্দিত হতেন, কিন্তু তারপরেও তাদের প্রতিনিধিরা, তাদের সন্তানেরা তারা আছেন। কাজেই আমাদের মুক্তি সংগ্রাম, আমাদের মুক্তিযুদ্ধ, আমরা যে বিজয় অর্জন করতে পেরেছিলাম, এটা যে তাদের অবদান, সেই অবদানকে আমরা চিরদিন স্মরণ করব শ্রদ্ধার সাথে। আমাদের অনেক বিদেশি বন্ধুই তখন হয়তো বাংলাদেশকে চিনতেনই না, জানতও না, তারপরেও যখন এখানে এই গণহত্যা চলে, ভয়াবহভাবে নির্যাতন চলছে, মানবতার তাগিদে তারা এই নির্যাতিত বাঙালির পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছিলেন। তাদের এই সমর্থনই আমাদের দেশের মানুষকে অটুট মনোবল দিয়েছিল, শক্তি জুগিয়েছিল, সাহস জুগিয়েছিল। এই মানবিক কারণে আপনারা যে সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়েছিলেন, তা আমাদের বিজয় অর্জনে যেমন প্রেরণা দেয়, আর দখলদার বাহিনীর পরাজয়ও ত্বরান্বিত করে। আমরা আপনাদের প্রতি শ্রদ্ধা জানাই। সেই সাথে সাথে আজকে সারা বিশ্বে যেখানে অর্থনৈতিক মন্দা, তা সত্ত্বেও বাংলাদেশ এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে। আমাদের বন্ধুদের প্রতি আমাদের সেই আহ্বানই থাকবে যে আমাদের এখনকার লড়াই হচ্ছে ক্ষুধা দারিদ্র্যের বিরুদ্ধে লড়াই। আমরা স্বাধীনতা পেয়েছি, বাংলাদেশকে আমরা একটা ক্ষুধামুক্ত, দারিদ্র্যমুক্ত দেশ হিসেবে গড়ে তুলতে চাই। সেজন্য আমাদের বন্ধুদের সহযোগিতা প্রয়োজন। আজকের ওই অনুষ্ঠানে যোগদানের জন্য আমি আপনাদের প্রতি কৃতজ্ঞতা জানাচ্ছি যে দূর দূরান্তর থেকে আপনারা কষ্ট করে এই বাংলার মাটিতে আগমন করেছেন। সেজন্য বাংলাদেশের জনগণের পক্ষ থেকে আমি আপনাদেরকে আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানাই, কৃতজ্ঞতা জানাই। আমাদের বন্ধুত্ব চিরদিন অটুট থাকুক। বাংলাদেশ চিরজীবী হোক। জয় বাংলা, জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু। আপনাদের সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ।